But what is a nature recovery zone? For years, we've cared for many different nature reserves that have become wild islands in the landscape. Yet in order for populations to grow and move around, wildlife needs more space. This means working with our neighbouring landowners and farmers to create much larger wildlife-friendly areas that importantly connect with each other, effectively creating a super reserve.
Here in Gloucestershire, we've made some considerable progress in the creation of 2 nature recovery zones. The first is over in the Severn Vale on the edge of the River Severn, and the second is right here in the glorious Golden Valley.